city of darkness. Birds are robbing bread trucks. More birds. And the cocky, who's normally naughty, isn't naughty today. Why do you think this is? Well, meanwhile, in the city, it is actually the rainbow lorikeets who are eating it. The cockatoo waiting for his chances. The cockatoo flew over it. The roof of the truck fell off. He squawks with his evil accent. Up there is his companion, who he's got a rub with. The cockatoo is getting ready for the moment. While the other one up here is just chill. He's gonna do it. But the Hooties are being very greedy. Jeff and Chirp. They are the Hootie gang. The fat bird sits on the ledge impatiently and boom! He walks up with his wings and destroys that. Now he walks around the deck with pride, stomping with rage. He's got to charge. The wind is blowing the roof of the truck. He fluffs up his feathers to try and look bigger and scarier. Now he chirps in rage. The rainbow lorikeets are having a feast. They completely destroy the wheels, tires all flat. The cockatoo is squawking with ambition. Sadly, on the truck, all the tires, well nearly all the tires, are almost flat. More of his friends come. One rainbow lorikeet left to feast. The greedy one, I see. But the owner of the store closes the truck. You can't eat anymore. Now the cockatoo comes.